Tim and Moby. I was working on my biology homework from my teacher, Mr. Zhang, and I don't really understand the mitochondria and plastids. Could you help me, please? Sincerely, Lori. Beep, 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 beep. Let me just mail this to them.
Hi guys, I'm Tim, and this is Moby. Because Lori had such a great question, I'd like to invite her to be with us.
Yay!
First, for you to understand the similarities and differences of mitochondria and plastids, you have to know a few facts. First, mitochondria is a tiny eukaryotic organelle. It makes ATP using food that an animal eats.
And wait, ATP is the currency for biological energy, right?
Yes. It uses substances such as fatty acids to make ATP.
Oh, okay. And I've heard that mitochondria are part of the cell. But even though they're part of the cell, scientists believe that they were once their own prokaryotic organism. But to survive, they had to take shelter in eukaryotic cells. And in exchange, they gave them ATP, right?
Yes, scientists believe this because they have their own DNA. Another thing you should know about mitochondria is that they have an inner and outer phospholipid membrane.
Oh, and the inner phospholipid membrane contains, what were they called? They were called folds that were called cristae. But what are they used for?
Cristae are used to harvest energy for mitochondria.
Oh, okay. So now that we've talked about the mitochondria, what about the plastids?
Plastids also have two membranes, and they also have their own DNA.
Oh, okay. But then chloroplasts, they're an example of plastids, right? What about them?
What do you know about chloroplasts?
Well, I do know that chloroplasts are a type of plastid, and that they have their own DNA, just like mitochondria, right?
Yes. They make energy, and they make carbohydrates using water, carbon dioxide, and light.
But how do chloroplasts form? Do they form from pre-existing chloroplasts that divide?
Yes, they do. And they also have thylakoids, which contain the chlorophyll that absorb the light.
Oh, okay. But that's a lot of information. How am I going to remember all of this? Wait, what's going on?
This is a story all about mine, mitochondria and chloroplasts. So I'd like to take a minute, just hold up quick. I'll tell you how they store energy in the form of ATP. In cell mitochondria, organelles, and the membrane is where the phospholipid is. Inner and outer is where it is too, so on one and what material can they get through. When a couple of folds, cristae there to do good. Starts carrying protein in the neighborhood. So respiration is why they're there. While they can compare. Another unique feature of plant cells or plastids, they contain membrane contain their own DNA. When a light source. I hope this all just stuck in your brain.
Wow.
Okay, can I do that over?